Welcome to FX Trade. Today we are going to be talking about Decentraland and why bulls have issues reaching their price targets this week. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Trade Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in cryptocurrency markets. Decentraland today is a little bit of an outlier, as you can see, with quite a bearish red candle. Although most of the cryptocurrency space is in the green today. Price target doesn't look to be that far anymore with the $3.66 handle here and which is a 61.8% Fibonacci level, and the monthly R1 resistance level just below it. So what's then the issue with Decentraland and why is the price actually not getting there today? Well, the reason is because of the RSI, the relative strength index, as you can see, has hit almost the 70 marker, which would put it in overbought. And this is what we are seeing today. So it triggered amongst bulls some profit taking even before the price target got hit. We see that often on intraday traders and short-term traders who set inside targets where they would take profit. But once one of these signals is triggered, then they get alerted and they immediately take profit. So this is what we're seeing today, a little bit of fade in the price action with some profit taking. But all in all, fairly contained. It could be that this fade could continue a bit lower, but in that case, I think the $3.20 handle here from the double top from January 16, January 17 coming in. And as you can see, it almost got tested on February 7th, but it did not quite make it there. So it goes to show that bulls already have this level marked up and have entered even a few cents before it got even tested. So very important level, very near short term. In case this fade should widen up a little bit more with some more profit taking, then expect this level as a perfect entry to go further along in the coming days. Although current market sentiment is very positive and very mild, risk on, with the VIX in negative territory and the US indices in the green. So that would mean we could see some spillover effect from those tailwinds, adding that into the cryptocurrency space. So it could easily be that into the US closing bell, when we often see a quick last bullish spike, that could be translated as well into Decentraland. And that would mean that the red candle could be turned into a green candle, and then by Thursday or Friday, we ultimately then reach the $3.66 on the R1 resistance level. But that's not where the story stops, because there could be more upside potential to come as long as this positive rhetoric in the markets and this depressuring from geopolitics comes into play. Then we could even start talking about the $4 handle, psychological, very important level, the 50% Fibonacci level at $4.12, and then a further bit upwards, the monthly R2 resistance level at 444 and 449, a historical pivotal level I had marked up here. So that probably will be sort of a short-term end phase where we could see the last of profit taking before we then sell off a little bit further in search of some support where bulls can then rejoin after taking profit. That's the positive outlook. On the other hand, it could always be that some geopolitics flare up again. The situation between Russia and Ukraine and the EU and NATO is still not resolved, for example. So that any war rhetorics from there could easily push back Decentraland against this thin red line. But like I said, it's very intermediate, very short term. So rather expect a $3 handle together with the 78.6% Fibonacci level to hold, in addition with the 55-day simple moving average, which I have marked up here because actually it acted as a very nice entry point. We broke through it on the 5th of February, came back down a little bit in order to test it, and then a big green bullish candle came of it. So it has been used as entry point, and I expect bulls to look at it again as an entry point in order to withstand again any pullbacks and keep price action in check. That's it for Decentraland. So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter on FX Street Crypto.